What's going on here with the random 4/16 draft, team random? Appreciate the fill. Same dice roll for both, no snake eyes. Time 3:31 p.m. Central Time. Good luck, everybody. We got our owners list. Name draw. Roll the dice, no snake eyes. 11, gotta work. Always high on randoms. Team randoms. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Top. Colt. First time you've been on top. When it doesn't matter. Zach on bottom. Drop it into the spreadsheet. There's that. For some reason I went there, but that's cool. There's 26 names on that list. Just what we needed. We went 11 times. Hop over here. Team list. Go 11 times. Begin the giveaway. 2, 9, 10, 11. Oakland on top. Used to rock him a lot in 16. Cool. All right, drop it over here. We're gonna go make this official. Spreadsheet. Colt, Oakland, Patrick, Colorado, Rick, Boston, James, Baltimore, Texas, Stoner, Minnesota, Press, St. Louis, Chris, Atlanta, Kathy, Houston, Zach, Doyers, James, Philadelphia, Dan, Cleveland, Stoner, Tampa Bay, Nick, San Francisco, Bill, Pittsburgh, Kansas City, Ross, Milwaukee, Andrew, Toronto, congrats, good luck. Bill, Cincinnati, Joe, Seattle, Reed, Arizona, Nick, Yankees, Daniel, Detroit, John, Miami, San Diego, Washington, Kathy, Mets, Patrick, Angels, Zach, White Sox. We went done a minute ago at 3:32. Appreciate it, everybody. Good luck tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Time.